Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. How are you guys all doing? You guys, I am rocking the new D2R hoodie, the Hustle hoodie. It looks like this from the back. I think you guys should definitely have one. If you guys can see Hustle hoodie, you guys go check it out at www.dreamsreality.shop. You guys, something is special. Something special is gonna happen today. We are actually making the G37 louder. So now I do have a full catback exhaust. Now, from the axle back are obviously the mufflers to the tips. I'm gonna take out the mufflers because apparently it should sound really, really, really loud. I hope there's no rasp, because if there's rasp, I'm gonna just have to pay another 80 bucks to just get the mufflers back on. So I don't know, man. Hopefully it does sound good, because I'm really worried, because it does have the Motordyne Y pipe. I did take out the Motordyne resonator and put a straight pipe resonator to the Y pipe, and now it's just the mufflers, man. And I don't know how it's gonna sound. I'm actually really scared. So, you ready? I think I'm ready. I think we got to do this. All right. So we're waiting for Billy, O'Day, and Khalid to all come through, because we are gonna go do this today, right now, and I am really excited. So yeah, you guys are gonna come along this journey with me, ladies and gentlemen. So we got Khalid, O'Day, and Billy. I like saying Khalid. You know.
Khalid salad.
Shut up, man.
Khalid.
I'm gonna say it the Arabic way. This is Khalid.
Yeah.
You already know. There's O'Day. This is Testa guy. This is the Testa guy right here. But yeah, we are taking the car and we are going to get this muffler delete. I'm actually excited. I don't know how it's gonna sound. It might sound raspy, it might sound deep as shit. We'll find out. You guys, this is probably one of the cleanest sounding G37s I've heard without the Motordyne exhaust. Like, this is all from a Motordyne resonator. Holy shit! Is it on the left or the right? Left. Billy's car is so hot. I don't know what tips I want. You want to get like a titanium tip?
I told you this one thing.
I told you. I don't know.
Well, I don't know the supercharger too.
Hey, Moogie, get this on your car. Are these too big for my car?
Is that a heart tip?
Imagine. So people love.
What, for yours?
Yeah, quad tips.
Those be clean.
Do you have to cut your diffuser?
Yeah.
Or if you get a new one? Just get a new one.
They'd be screaming, man.
Content. I'll just get
Those
this
are
one.
like the ones I
Well, if I ever got a GTR, I'd be getting something like that.
Bro, the titanium tips on the GTR like sexy.
Think of this video exhaust.
Oh, I was like, NVIDIA muffler? I would. Should I just replace it with a smaller muffler?
No.
Absolutely.
Bro, it's gonna sound ugly when
That's what you think. No, it's not.
To be honest, it's gonna look more aggressive because right now, from the back of your car with the spacers on, the big ass mufflers show.
Yeah.
Like you said,
Take those out.
his muffler's smaller, so your muffler's bigger. It's just gonna sound even louder.
That's it? Okay. Oh my god, bro.
You got a sexy.
No, just take it off, bro.
It's a sexy vacuum, but in an hour, I promise it will be sexy.
Alright, let's go. Let's do it.
That's fake. Vacuums for days on this.
Any day, I'll smoke this car.
You know that white Infinity in the back? Don't make me scream at it. That's fire fast, like a lot. That'd be sick. Yeah, they look like. I'm not interested.
That's crazy. I never hear my car from outside.
When's gone from here?
I fucking put it in reverse and drive.
Man, what do you got? Like 404, 425?
Don't fuck, my tires look like they're fucking 375s. Fucking
Look how big his mufflers
They look like drag
Oh
radios.
my god, your car's gonna look. There you go. You hit my hand.
I'm scared. I don't know how it's gonna sound.
Bro, there's a limit on your vehicular car, okay? And when you were revving it, it sounded quiet. But once you remove the muffler, it's gonna sound like a Nissan R34, you know?
Oh, okay. Nissan R34.
R35 GTR right now. It's gonna be loud as hell. It's gonna be pops and crackles.
Hey, there's gonna be 4 flames coming out. Let's see how good.
You guys, they're putting in. We're gonna do it. I don't know how it's gonna sound.
Hold on. On Google.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's gonna look good, bro.
Oh, I'm scared.
It sounds amazing.
We got the tips off.
I still have my resonator in my car. Gang.
Kill confirmed.
See? Oh my god, that is so resonated. I'm trying to get it. Well, in the inside, it's like resonated a bit. Wow, okay. It's
Muffler ejecto.
wow, okay.
Oh yeah, bro, these plastic shots are crazy.
Is my diff leaking? I thought that was my diff leaking.
Oh, dude.
I thought it was leaking. That would have been bad. Oh man.
That's us.
That was the fucking.
That's us Impala.
That's just Impala.
That's sexy.
What do you believe? Hey, you know, I would love for you to get that on camera. You should get that on camera. That's camera worthy.
What is this? What kind of brick? It's Brambos. Come with Brambos?
That's a good car.
Let's come with Brambos?
You never see. That's what I was saying. Brembo.
Hey guys, they're done.
Yeah, we're gonna record him getting his reaction.
He's gonna rev it for you, but he always does the honors.
I'm scared.
Shiver me timbers.
It all starts from the startup. You hit, if it's a bad startup, the car's gonna sound like shit. If it's a good startup, the car's gonna sound good.
Alright.
Oh my. Here it goes. Hopefully, you'll see it.
This one is yours or them?
No, that's not mine.
No, it's mine. That's fine. No.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it on.
Oh!
Oh, anyways, go ahead.
Oh my god.
Bismillah. Come on. Hey, rev the car, rev it.
Rev it, give us some revs.
Here comes out.
Oh my god, it sounds like a V8. Holy shit.
Oh, holy Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. That's sexy.
Yes, sir. Come on, movie.
Why did fucking high idle like that on startup?
Sounded so sexy.
No, he revved it. He revved it on startup. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
That's what scared me. I'm like, oh no way. Oh yeah.
Hey, the Mercedes did too?
Holy
shit.
I think it's okay, I'm gonna move it over here, right?
Alright, man.
Alright guys, that was all for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, I'll do that at the end. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified, be a part of CLC Nation. But you guys, I appreciate you guys. Next vlog, we will be looking for a garage for us, so stay tuned for that. Holy shit. We'll get a flyby before the video ends, but yeah, thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Let's cut to the pool.
Guys, it sounds amazing. It's fucking beautiful. It sounds beautiful, right? Doesn't it? So far, still good. But we gotta wait until he kind of puts on our full throttle, because right now we have some shitty ass traffic in Chicago. Nice Evo.
Vibes.
Before we head on the Grange, there's a little park.
Alright, hold up. So, first reaction to the new exhaust.
Dude, I thought it was gonna be so fucking bad. Bro.
Sounds sexy, right?